Okay, so we're going to be looking at sorting and filtering in Microsoft Excel. And here we have an example of a database or a spreadsheet consisting of 1,000 students, 1,000 of them, all the way from grade 1 to grade 12, different genders, email addresses, first name, last name, grade, and class. So we're going to look at sorting first, because that's actually a lot easier than what you think. And let's pretend we're going to sort this according to the last name. So we're going to sort all 1,000 of these records according to the last name. Now this is the easiest thing. All I do is I'm going to go and click on cell A1, the very first cell of this entire database. Okay, I'm going to go to data. Then I'm going to click sort. I'm going to click on sort. Now, what will happen is sort will automatically detect that this first row is a header row, and even says here my data has headers, which is good. That is correct. And I will see I've got ID, first name, last name. All the headers are here, which is really handy. So I'm going to select last name because that's what I'm sorting by. Cell values A to Z. Click on OK. And here you will notice from A all the way down to Z, the list has been sorted. So that's the first way of sorting. So that's just a first level tier or a first tier sorting. Okay, super easy, nothing too complicated. The other way was to click and then select everything. But I mean, that could really take some time unless you know keyboard shortcuts to get to the bottom. Control Shift down. Okay, remember that for next time, Control Shift down. But the quickest way, just click in that first cell. It does help if your first row does have the headers, okay. Let's look at the second tab over here, the second worksheet. Same one, okay, nothing sorted here. And what we're going to do is we're going to sort this according to grade ascending. Grade ascending, so from grade 1 all the way up to grade 12. So again, I just click over here and I'm going to go to data and sort. And you'll see I've done this before, so it's got it there, but there you go. I'll just go ahead and select grade and cell values smallest to largest, grade 1 to grade 12. Click on OK. Done. As you can see, everything has been sorted according to the grade. So from grade 1, keep going, there's 4, 5, 6, all the way up to grade 12. Right, so that's also very easy. But now let's look at a different kind of sort, where we sort it according to grade and class. So this will be sort number 3. So worksheet number 3. And I'm going to go to data, sort, and I'm just going to delete these so we do it from scratch, okay? So the first thing is I'm going to add a level, and it's going to be sort by what? Well, we're going to sort by grade, going from the smallest to the largest, but I also want to sort from class, ascending from A to Z. So I add a level over here. Click on add level. So you can see it says sort by grade, smallest to largest, then by class, A to Z. So click OK, and there you go. Grade 1 all the way through to grade 12, and alphabetically according to classes as well. So that's 3 different ways of sorting. Okay, now we get on to filtering. Now, filtering is something very different. Filtering allows us to just specify what we want to see in our spreadsheet. So I'm going to show you what that does. So again, we're on data, and we're going to switch on the filter. Here it is here. Switch on filter. Now you will notice that in my first row, I've suddenly got these little drop down arrows on each of my names, each of my words, okay? And I'm going to filter this according to the grade 7s. Let's filter this according to grade 7. So out of all of these 1,000 students, I only want to see the grade 7s. So I go to grade, I click on my little drop down arrow, and down here I can take off everything because it's showing me everything right now. Go to number 7. There we go, grade 7. Click OK, and there you go. It is only showing me all the grade 7s in this school. Pretty cool. So that's one way of filtering. That's a basic filtering. Okay, we can actually do a little bit more. We can filter and we can sort at the same time. So let's see what's going to happen. Back to data. Click on filter. Now, let's do gender. And we will just do female. Just female. Okay, so that's the first step. Only the females. Then grade. Let's do grade 4. I only want to see grade 4. So let's go there, grade 4, done. So here you can see what we've done is we have changed this according to gender and grade, but we still have to sort. So we've done the filtering, gender and grade, but I want to sort it according to class. So again, click on the little drop down arrow and you'll see we have sort options here. A to Z or Z to A. Well, let's go from A to Z. And there you go. So females in grade 4, class A, class B, class C, class D, etc. And that's sorting and filtering in Microsoft Excel.